Welcome back to Wordsmith English Academy, the place where learning English is fun, easy, and exciting. Today we're diving into the topic how to learn 1,000 plus English words fast. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Want to learn 1,000 plus English words super fast? What if I told you there's a way to do it without memorizing boring lists? In this video, I'll show you 5 proven methods to boost your vocabulary in just weeks. Stick around for the last tip. It's a game changer. Let's go. First, stop memorizing words randomly. Instead, learn them in context. That means read stories, watch movies, listen to real conversations. This way, your brain connects the word to real-life situations. Example, instead of just learning serendipity, which means a happy accident, see how it's used. I met my best friend by serendipity at the airport. Challenge, pick a TV show, book or podcast and write down 5 new words daily. It works like magic. Your brain loves sounds and pictures. Studies show that we remember 65% more when we use images. Try this. Use flashcards with pictures, apps like Anki, Quizlet. Listen to audiobooks and repeat out loud. Listen to audiobooks and repeat out loud. Watch English YouTubers and TED Talks. It's fun and effective. Pro tip: when you hear a new word, pause and repeat. This makes it stick. Want to learn 1,000 words in days? Learn word families instead of single words. Example, from happy, happiness, unhappy, happily, boom, 4 words in one go. Here's how to do it. 1. Pick a base word, like act. 2. Learn its variations. Action, actor, active, react, activate. 3. Now you know 5 words instead of 1. Hack: use a vocabulary notebook and write down word families, not just words. Did you know that just 20% of words are used in 80% of daily conversations? That means you don't need to learn every single word in the dictionary. Instead, focus on high-frequency words. Example, instead of learning serendipitous and superfluous, learn words like important, need, happy, amazing. These are used 1,000 times more often. Action. Step: download the most common English words list, I'll link it below, and learn 10 daily. Here's the secret: make learning a game. Best ways to make learning fun. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it's okay. Play word games, Scrabble, Wordle, Quizlet. Join an English challenge, like speak 5 new words daily. Challenge: comment 5 new words you learned today. I'll personally reply to your comments. Here's the #1 secret hack. Find a study buddy or community. Humans learn faster when they're not alone. Join an English speaking group. Teach someone else what you learned. Teaching creates remembering. Practice with a friend, teacher, or even record yourself. Remember, the more you use words, the faster you learn them. Want to supercharge your English fluency? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's 1 new word you learned today? Which of these methods will you try first? See you in the next video. Keep learning and stay awesome. Blast off!